Hello lovely people, welcome back and welcome to those who are just joining us on this part 3. So this is the last day of our glass that we started on, so we're finishing it today. The materials we're going to use is that glue, the B7000, rhinestone pecan, the plate, and now it's time to choose the rhinestones themselves. Since we have blue and silver vinyl on it, so it will be better to put silver rhinestones to match, to go along with those two. So if you've not seen the first parts, there is part 1, 2, and this is the last part of them all when we're doing the final part, when we're doing the final touches of this glass. So as you see, the glitter is already dry. Even if I touch it, does not stain my hands and it does not come off. So we open the glue and then we're going to put rhinestones around the glass, like to mark the, is it the border, is it the lining of the glitter down. So one by one you pick with the rhinestone picker and then put on the glass. So it's better to glue a very small distance or a small space so that the glue does not flow, because if you just put it, it's kind of watery. So if you put the big space and you don't do it fast, so the glue always tend to flow over. So it's better to put a little space and then you keep turning. Yes, now let's go faster, because I don't want to waste much of your time when I'm putting one by one. You know, it takes a lot of time. Yes, but the process, you'll still see it as if, like, even though I speed it up. There you go. Thank you so much, all of you who have followed this tutorial right from start to the last part. I really do appreciate you doing a great work. And if you're watching this from the TikTok or Instagram, please visit my YouTube. Yeah, it's just a new channel. I need subscribers, people following me. Please, if you don't mind, just visit that channel. It's when you go to YouTube, type the H trends and threads, so you'll find the page there. I have a lot of tutorials over that side. Thank you so much. So now that line is done for the rhinestones. So if that is done, the biggest part of the final touches is done. So now we're remaining with the smallest part of it, and that is we're going to rhinestone inside that glass with silver rhinestone still, but this time we're going to use smaller size. So we've got to put back this one and then pick another small size, smaller than this. This was 6 millimeters. Now we're going to use 4 millimeters. Believe me, you want to put them on that rhinestone plate carefully, because when those things appear on the ground or on the table, they are hard to pick up because they are tiny, really small. So it's time to glue that area we're going to put the glitter, the rhinestones, and then spread it with a brush, tiny brush still, because the area is pretty tiny. For such glasses, if you need a pair, I can make it. If you need a set, I can still make it as well, and it's not so expensive. Please inbox me if you need such a pair. You just tell me your color or the design you want, then I can do it for you. Someone asked me, don't they go off? I will not say no, they do get off, but it depends on the way you handle them, because we've all bought precious things. if you value your thing, you'll like handle it carefully. If you handle them carefully, they will last for a very long time. But if you handle them carelessly, of course they will come off. But trust me, that glue is really, really strongly adhesive. So this is the final look. Yes, what do you think? I think it's pretty for me. I don't know if I'm the one who made it, but it's really nice. Enjoy the view. Thank you so much for staying around to this time. I really do appreciate it. God bless you.